Today I'm going to be talking about some new IoT items in my house. I'm Huey Poplock. The items I'm going to be talking about are a smart power strip and a smart microwave oven. This is a smart power strip that I purchased last summer. It cost about $27. It's no longer available, but there are other ones very similar to it that are. During my talk and demonstration, I will be using the term Miss A instead of the actual device name, so I don't set off your device if you happen to have one. This is my IoT power strip. There's several ways I can turn it on and off. I can do it the entire strip by saying Miss A, power strip off. Miss A, power strip on. Miss A, power plug 3 off. Miss A, power plug 3 on. So I can do individual plugs. Now there's USB plugs, but they will only turn on and off all four at one time or turn them on at one time. Miss A, Echo power plug USB off. Miss A, power plug USB on. Obviously, I've set it up so I can turn this on and off using my dot or my other Miss A. This is the microwave oven that I purchased just last week. It is a smart microwave. It's countertop. There were certain criteria that I used to purchase it. I'm not saying that this is the one that you should buy. It only fit my needs and my purposes. And what I want to show you is some of the functions that it can do using the Amazon device that I use for home automation. So let's take a look. This is our new Toshiba microwave oven, which is an Internet of Things capable microwave oven. And I want to show you a couple examples of that. Miss A, 30 seconds on the microwave.
30 seconds.
Miss A, add 10 seconds to the microwave. We can also have special settings for different foods. For instance, Miss A, microwave for 1 minute on power 2.
1 minute on power level 2.
Miss A, microwave 1 potato.
Starting potato.
Miss A, stop the microwave. Miss A, microwave potato.
How many do you want to cook?
1.
Starting potato.
Miss A, stop microwave. Miss A, defrost 1 pound.
Defrosting 1 pound.
Miss A, stop microwave. Miss A, microwave bacon.
How many do you want to cook?
2.
Okay, starting now.
Miss A. Pause microwave. Miss A. Resume microwave.
Resuming.
Miss A. Stop microwave. Miss A. Reheat cup of coffee.
What's the volume of coffee?
1 cup.
Reheating 1 cup of coffee.
Miss A. Stop microwave. Thank you for joining. I'm Huey Poplock.